Hello everybody, good morning. Today we are learning our first unit 1.1. There is a very simple poem. The name of the poem is A Teenager's Prayer. You know that teenage. Teenage means the age between 13 to 19. Means now you all are teenagers, and you know that every day we recite our prayer प्रार्थना, हर देश में तू, हर वेश में तू, तेरे नाम अनेक है, एक ही तू. In this prayer, two is God, and here a teenager prays to the God because in teenage there are many responsibilities on us. Now I will read the poem. Let us look in the book A Teenager's Prayer. Each day brings new beginnings, decision I must make. I am the only one to choose the road that I will take. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success, or travel down the darkened road that leads to great success. Please open up my eyes, dear Lord, that I might clearly see. Help me stand for what is right. Bring out the best in me. Help, Lord, to just say no when temptations comes my way, that I might keep my body clean and fit for life each day. When my teenage years are over, I know that I will see that life is lived its very best with you walking next to me. In this poem, poet requests God. Let us go through the stanza for your understanding. In first stanza, poet wants to make his own decisions because he is teenager and he did not want to make any mistake. In second stanza, there are different roads in our life, but poet can choose the road of life that leads to success. For that he is ready to travel on darkened road. Darkened means difficult. In third stanza, poet pleads or requests to the God to open up his eyes for what is right and what is wrong and best for me in my life. In fourth stanza, the speaker pray to the God to keep him away from temptation. Temptation means lust, लोभ. लोभापासून मला बाजूला ठेव. Such a request, and he also requests God to keep his body clean and fit to face the challenges in future life. In last stanza, poet speaks about future and sure that God's guidance, only God's guidance is very important in my life. This is the throughout the central theme of this poem. Now I want to introduce some antonyms and synonyms in this poem. First, antonyms are there. Old. In line number 1, it is for new. Then second, in second stanza, failure, that is success. In second stanza, there is another antonyms, brightened, B-R-I-G-H-T-E-N-E-D, that is darkened. Then another, comfort. Comfort means aram. It is the antonyms for distress. Then in third stanza, in first line, close, open. In that stanza, wrong, right. Worst, best. Worst means अतिशय वाईट किंवा सर्वात वाईट. बेस्ट means सर्वात चांगला. Then dirty, clean, and last is unfit, fit. These are the antonyms which help you to complete the true false activity. It make very easy for you. Then some synonyms are there. Synonyms, समानार्थी शब्द. Starting, beginning. God, Lord. Select, choose. And last synonym is lust, temptation. These are the synonyms and these are the antonyms which are very important to decide whether the sentence is true or false. Okay. Now, according to our activity sheet, considering question number 3A, which is based on the comprehension of the poem. Here I conducted 3 activities which are for 5 marks. These activities are based on only first 2 stanzas. Okay. Now attention here. First activity is for true and false. The sentence is, I must make decision because I am teenager. This sentence is from first 2 lines. This is the true sentence. Then second sentence is I shall take the road that I choose. Means poet wants to choose the road. Means this is the also a true sentence. Then third one, I can take the road that leads to failure. You can understand here we discussed about failure. Means this sentence is false. Then fourth sentence, the darker road leads to great comfort. Means this sentence is, look here, comfort. False. Then second activity is here. Here are two sentences you have to complete with the help of the poem. I can choose to take the road of life that leads to great success. Okay. Then second sentence, I may travel down the darkened road that leads to, means भविष्यात मला डार्कर्ड म्हणजे अवघड रस्त्यावरून जायचं आहे. म्हणजे जीवनामध्ये आपल्याला अनेक अडचणींना सामोरं जायचं आहे. आणि जो मार्ग that leads to great distress. Okay, it is a very simple activity. And the last activity is on the rhyming pairs. You have to write at least 2 pairs for 1 mark. Here are the rhymes. First stanza, make, take. Then second stanza, success, distress. Okay. These are the 3 activities. First activity is for 2 marks. Second activity is for 2 marks. And third activity is for 1 mark. Okay. Now we can understand how to comprehend the poem, and you are requested to read the poem again and again. I will send you the workshop or comprehensive activities by the WhatsApp on the next day. Okay, thanks.